Hello, viewers. This is a poem for all of us who ever feel unseen, and it's titled Being Average. Average, just average. A word that echoed in my mind, neither too perfect nor completely blind, just average. The teacher said you aren't meant for exams. Parents told me you don't fit in the world's planned, and the world whispered the universe favors the wise. They reminded me average always suffers. Never did they know that it's the word sharp and cold, filled with disguise, that makes the average feel like the world isn't a place for them, leaving a mark on the mind, a scar on the heart, a reminder like the clock that was snoozed but kept ringing.